If you're shopping for headphones for your kids, the safest option is a pair that limits the maximum volume. Out of more than 10 models we tested and reviewed, the best ones are the Puro Sound Labs Puro Quiet Wireless Kids headphones. They're a bit pricier than most, but they're well built, sound great, and offer effective volume limits in both wired and wireless modes. They even offer noise cancellation, an awesome feature that will help tons of kids, whether they want to hear their music better on long trips or they have sensory issues to overcome. If you're looking for headphones for the adults in your life, check out our article on the best headphones. Number 1. Cozy Phones Kids Headphones. The Cozy Phones. These uniquely designed headphones have thin drivers that are inserted into a stretchy, fabric headband. The concept is neat, but the fabric felt very warm after just a few minutes and older kids may just not want to wear them. In our lab testing, these also proved to be just too loud for our liking. They hit between 93 to 95 decibels A, in our tests, which is above our preferred threshold of 85 decibels A. That may be fine for short bursts, but it's too close for our comfort and we think there are better options available on this list. Number 2. Lil Gadget's Untangled Pro Premium. These super popular wireless headphones are not a bad alternative to the Puro BT 2200 Bluetooth model. Even though we have some reservations about the wired version, the Lil Gadget's Connect Plus Premium, these were much better. They're still more flimsy than the Puro BT 2200s, but they seem comfy and well built. In our tests, these did a great job of keeping noise to the recommended level, when used wirelessly. With Bluetooth, we observed sound levels of 83 to 87 decibels A, which is close enough to the mark. The issue is that the included wire doesn't do enough, if anything, to limit volume, and in wired mode, these got up to 92.4 to 96 decibels A. That's a bit too loud according to the experts, so if the battery runs out or you need to use the wire, you'll want to set hard volume limits on your device. Number 3. Lil Gadget's Connect Plus Premium. The Lil Gadget's Connect Plus Premium headphones were probably the most intriguing pair of headphones we tested in this group. These are affordable and they feel like they're well built, with a removable cable and 2 ports so you can hook up a second pair of headphones. In our tests, they were too loud to be used at full volume, 94 to 96 decibels A, but generally, these seem like a decent pick if you can lock in lower volume limits. Where these get real fishy is when we compare them to the other models pictured above, the Snug Play Plus and Nano's Children's Best headphones. They are identical, despite being from ostensibly different companies. This is because many manufacturers, particularly in China, let you purchase products like this in bulk, apply your own branding, and sell them through a service like Amazon. The problem with that model is it's very difficult to get customer service issues resolved in a timely manner. There's no guarantee the company you're buying it from has done any actual safety testing, and there is usually a wide variance in build quality. Our advice? Play it safe and go with one of our better picks above. Number 4. Puro Sound Labs Puro Quiet Kids Headphones. If you're looking for a great pair of volume-limited headphones for kids, the Puro Sound Labs Puro Quiet Kids headphones are the best that we've tested. These are a bit pricier than our previous favorite, the Puro BT 2200, but they offer a killer new feature, noise cancellation. Though it may seem like a luxury feature for many children, it's an awesome addition for kids who have sensory issues. For other children, the noise cancellation helps reduce the urge to crank the volume to the absolute max. Though volume-limiting headphones are critical for protecting your child's hearing, the recommended max of 85 decibels A simply isn't very loud. These headphones help solve for that by further cutting down ambient noise. In our lab tests, the Puro Quiets were some of the top noise-canceling headphones we've tested, cutting down a significant amount of ambient noise with no major technical issues. Though our tests showed they could get up to around 87 decibels A, that's still near the recommended level that experts deem safe for most children up to 8 hours. The main drawback here is the price, but Puro frequently discounts these. Headphones that cost around $100, or higher, can be pricey for younger kids who are likely to forget them somewhere, or simply break them, but for an older kid wanting nicer headphones, these are worth the investment. The wireless connection ensures that your kid can't easily circumvent the volume protections, provide a tangle-free listening experience, and they will work with a wider range of modern devices including newer smartphones that don't have built-in headphone jacks. Just note that if the battery dies you can use the included cable, but the volume limiter on the cable only works when plugged in the right way. Number 5. Leapfrog Headphones. Though these are marketed as working primarily with Leapfrog's line of tablets and other devices, these are standard over-ear headphones like all the rest on this list, which means that they'll work with any audio source that has a headphone jack. They're well built, comfy, and a bit bigger than the other models on this list, so they'll be a bit loose on a toddler, but will fit an older child or a preteen well. These are marketed as having a maximum volume of 85 decibels A, but in our tests they output around 88 decibels A, with certain songs pushing them up to 90 or 91 decibels A, for short stretches. That's a bit louder than the ideal value, so you'll want to set volume limits on whatever device you're using so they fall safely within the recommended levels. Still, for a good pair of all-around headphones for a slightly older child, these aren't a bad bet, if you take precautions.